Hello, Excellencies, distinguished guests, and beloved world changers. It is a true honor to be here with all of you in the sacred hall where echoes of Galileo and Einstein still linger in the air, where science, spirit, and humanism, not in conflict, but in harmony for the greater good for all of us. Valuable insights from world changers, from you, reflect your passion and commitment to improve our world to a better place. Your diverse ideas show collaboration and shared hope, driving meaningful change for this world. My journey began from far from this place. I once served in the Secret Intelligence Department, combating human trafficking and drug trafficking. My mission was simple, but never easy. Together with my team, we rescued women and children from the hands of criminals. It was there where I learned that the fight for goodness takes many forms. Sometimes it's in the shadows, and sometimes it's in the light we share online. We live in the time where connection travels faster than the thought, where a single post on social media crosses oceans, and a single voice can reach millions. Social media is our new public square. It's our global cathedral of conversations. Here, ideas are born. Here, values are tested. And here, a new language of empathy is being written. This is the new humanism of 21st century, where technology doesn't divide us. It unites us all. Pope Francis once said, "The internet is a gift from God if used wisely. Used with love, it becomes the force of unity and compassion." To be a digital ambassador of goodness, it's not about how many people follow you. It's about how many people you help rise. To remind others that even through screens, we can see each other's souls. Across the world, across from podcasts to parliaments, from studios to everywhere, women and men are shaping cultures through compassion. Their strength lies not in just domination, but in connection. It is the courage to create with grace and lead with kindness. Because influence, when guided by the integrity, becomes legacy, our legacy. Popularity fades, as you know, but purpose endured. The younger generation is watching us, and it's not just they hearing our words, they feel our energy. They see how we use our voices, our platforms, and now our technologies. And it's our duty to bring awareness and education, how to use AI, artificial intelligence, not only as just technology, but as a tool of creation, compassion, and empathy. We should teach our young generation not just what to think, but how to think with wisdom and empathy. In my platforms like social media channels or public speaking and upcoming books, I speak about women's unity and empowerment, about the strength that lies with all of us. I share what I've learned in the field, in life, in faith, because knowledge should never be hidden behind the power. It should be shared like a light freely with all of us. The internet should not be a battlefield of hate. It should unite us all. It should be the place where we can share safely our thoughts. With every post, every likes, every comment, here is the vibrations, our energy, which is human kindness. Here in Vatican, we speak about faith, science, technology, but what unites us all is the belief to change the world to a better place. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you, Professor Gabriel, for inviting me and participating in this beautiful World Changers Summit. Thank you.